So look here, the museum where everything. Wow!
¿Este?
Espera, 24, 26.
Pero está cerrado. 34. Sí, venga, sí. Sí.
Apoyo. So we came to Big Fun Museum, a museum where everything is huge,
Uy, прости.
marvelous, and the kids
Pero tenía que
are
levantarte.
just enjoying every moment. Keep asking for taking pictures in every corner, so very funny, very interesting. Dimitri, how do you feel there? How do you feel there?
Amazing.
Amazing.
¿Dónde está?
Dimitri, what are you doing? Oh my goodness! How do you feel to be rich?
I feel normal.
Normal. Okay.
Normal, yeah, it's normal.
This chair is a little bit big for you, no? This chair is a little bit big for you.
Yeah, it's a bit big.
A veure. Wow, Mark. Wow. Very good. Good job. Dimitri is missing his Cancun trip back in last year, and Mark is enjoying taking pictures on his own. So Mark is preparing the other phone to take pictures. Wow. Wow.
No he encontrado yo este sitio.
It's magic.
Tengo sueño.
So we are on the second floor at Big Fun Museum. And look here, how many candies. There is the beautiful room that it is very similar to Team Lab in Japan when we went. And now we are going to another part of the museum where everything is upside down. Wow! So we will take pretty a lot of pictures over here, right? So cool. Dimitri, do you want a picture too? I see, yes? I like it.
Haz una foto al revés.
Al revés, ahora lo haremos. Al revés. Mark, how do you like it? ¿Cómo te gusta? ¿Te gustan esas habitaciones, Mark? ¿Ah?
Ah, ¿no se puede?
Pero hay alguien. Hay dos señores que quieren pasar. Mamá, aquí hay que ir muy con cuidado porque te puedes chocar con un cristal.
Pues sí. ¿Sí?
Sí, adiós. Chaval. Tengo hambre. Tengo